This is the F-104 Starfighter, a supersonic air superiority fighter. Its first flight was on March 4th, 1954, and was introduced into service in 1958. But don't let its age fool you. The Starfighter was the first production aircraft to achieve Mach 2 and was the first aircraft to reach an altitude of 100,000 feet, or 30,000 meters. The Italian Air Force kept the F-104S variant in service up to October of 2004, giving it a service time of 50 years. This is despite its reputation for being so dangerous. Having lost 116 pilots in 28 years, the German Air Force would start to call it the Widowmaker.